For years, Sony has been at the forefront of mirrorless camera innovation, consistently redefining what creators expect from a hybrid imaging system. Now, with leaks emerging about the much-anticipated Sony A7 V, also rumored as the A7 V, excitement across the photography and videography community has reached a new high. From leaked prototype images to rumored spec sheets circulating across industry insiders, it's becoming increasingly clear that this camera could represent the next major leap for Sony's popular A7 series. The new A7 V is said to refine nearly every aspect of its predecessor, from body design and ergonomics to image processing, autofocus, and video recording capabilities. In this comprehensive, long-form deep dive, we'll explore everything you need to know: design language, sensor improvements, AI autofocus technology, video performance, connectivity upgrades, expected pricing, and release timeline. By the end, you'll understand why this camera could become the ultimate hybrid full-frame powerhouse for professionals and creators in 2025 and beyond. Sony seems to be taking a subtle yet smart approach with the A7 versus design philosophy. Instead of drastically altering the A7 lineup's recognizable aesthetic, the company is refining what already works, keeping loyal users comfortable while quietly improving usability and durability. The leaked photos suggest that the A7 V will maintain a body shape very similar to the A7 IV, rather than adopting the chunkier grip design seen on the A1 series. This will please longtime Sony shooters who value consistency and muscle memory. The button placement and dials appear nearly identical, ensuring that experienced users can transition seamlessly without relearning their control scheme. One of the most praised updates appears to be the fully articulating touchscreen display, a design carried over from Sony's higher-end models. This vlogger-friendly monitor is a huge win for hybrid creators who shoot from multiple angles, film themselves, or produce travel and content videos. It also enables low-angle or overhead shooting with ease, making it an essential upgrade for versatility. The A7 versus chassis is rumored to use magnesium alloy construction, ensuring a lightweight yet robust body capable of withstanding demanding professional use. The overall build feels more rugged, with enhanced weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture, a must for outdoor filmmakers and photojournalists. Additionally, Sony appears to have made major strides in thermal management. Overheating has long been a concern for hybrid users, especially during long 4K recording sessions. The A7 V reportedly integrates a new internal heat dissipation system, enabling extended shooting times without performance throttling. For professionals, storage flexibility is non-negotiable. Sony continues to offer dual memory card slots, supporting both CF Express Type A and UHS 2 SD cards. This dual-format approach lets users balance speed, capacity, and affordability depending on workflow needs. Ideal for creators capturing 4K or RAW content. The sensor is the soul of any camera, and the A7 V might just redefine Sony's mid